Hi everyone! Nice to see you again in this video with me, Miss Desi. How are you? Good? I hope everyone is good. By the way, this week we have a long weekend. It's 4 days off. So, do you have any plan for your weekend, everyone? If you do, Miss Desi wants to suggest something. I think it's better for us not to go anywhere this weekend. Yeah? Try to do some fun activities at home, just like coloring, drawing, playing games, or doing some other activities with your family. As we know that the situation nowadays is not yet getting better. We have to stay healthy and stay safe. Okay, for the lesson everyone, we're still going to do some practice on this topic. Yeah, that is nature. Before we go on, Miss Desi wants to tell you about some places that living things just like human or people like us and animals live. People have many different places to live. Yeah. For us, we live in the city. But for some people, they live in the village or in the beach or even mountain. People in the city have different jobs from the people in the village, yeah? So they have different way of living. However, people can try to adapt, yeah, to live in different places, yeah. But it doesn't happen to animals, yeah? For example, animals in the sea, they cannot live on the land because they need water. Yeah? So their habitat, their place of living is in the sea, not on the land. Next, some animals which live in the desert cannot live in the mountain. Yeah? In the mountain, the weather sometimes is cold, and in the desert, it's mostly hot. And the foods are also different. Camel may not like to eat fruits in the forest. And monkey cannot eat cactus in the desert. Yeah? So they have different habitat. Some animals can live in the desert and other animals can live in the forest. Yeah? Some animals only can live in the water. They cannot live on the land. Yeah? Even some animals which lives in the sea, yeah, cannot live in the river. The water is different. So if you go fishing, yeah, in a river and then you get a fish, then next day you put the fish into the sea. The fish will not live, yeah? The fish will die because the water in the sea is too salty for them, yeah? They cannot live in the salty water. So everyone, in the nature, there are many different kinds of habitat or place of living. Okay, now let's try to do some practice. Now let's open your book, page 35. Which comes first? Write the sentences in the order. So here everyone, you have 2 sentences for each number. These sentences are related to each other. One sentence will go after another. Yeah? So, which one comes first? Let's see this. I make a fire. A boy is making a fire. And here, I want to cook food. Which sentence comes first? You want to cook food or you make fire? Here, it's you want to cook food. Yeah, so right here, I want to cook food. So I make a fire. Yeah, right here. Okay, so the sentence will be, I want to cook food, so I make a fire. Yeah. Okay, next. She wants to sleep. She's sleepy there. And here, she puts up a tent. So which sentence comes first? She wants to sleep or she wants to put up a tent? Yep, it's this. She wants to sleep. So she puts up a tent. Okay, so here is the sentence. The next practice is in the worksheet. It's worksheet 9. In this worksheet, everyone, you just need to read and copy these words below properly. Let's read the words and the sentences first. A tent, an axe, a fire, a torch. Then you copy the words 3 times. Next, let's read after me. We use a tent to sleep in. We use an axe to cut wood. We use a fire to cook. We use a torch to see at night. Okay, and you copy the sentence once. Next worksheet is worksheet 10. So this practice is about rhyming words. Yeah? Read the words in each pot. Circle the words that rhyme. Yeah. So here you have 4 groups of words. Yeah. The first group is words which rhymes with rand. Yeah. Rand. Next group are words which rhyme with log. Log. Next is words which rhyme with Ted. Ted. And the last one here is words which rhyme with bit. Bit. Okay. Now find out the words which rhymes with ran. So there are 5 words, yeah, which rhyme with ran. What about log? Circle the words here. What about tat? Circle the words. And pit? Circle the words. Next worksheet is worksheet 11. So here is spelling worksheet. So in this worksheet, you have to listen carefully to what Miss Desi says. Then you write the words here. Number 1, please write nature. Nature. Number 2, please write forest. Forest. Number 3, please write desert. desert. Number 4, please write sea. Sea. Number 5, please write lake. Lake. Number 6, please write river. River. Number 7, please write camel. Camel. Number 8, please write bear. Bear. Number 9, please write birds. Birds. Number 10, please write monkey. Monkey. Okay, good. Now let's see the next worksheet. Worksheet 12. Okay, in this worksheet, you just need to read and copy these words below properly. Let's read first. Repeat after me. Cave, nest, grassland, bear, bird, zebra. Okay, now please copy the words 5 times. And the last worksheet is worksheet 13. It's reading worksheets. Yeah? Now Miss Desi will read this text. Then you will try to read it yourself, okay? Please listen carefully. Rob's boat. Rob has a boat. He likes his boat a lot. He got the boat in a box. He did not get his boat in a pot. The boat is not hot. The boat can not run. The boat has a dot. Rob likes his boat a lot. Yeah, so here is a robot, everyone. This robot belongs to Rob. Yeah. Okay, now let's try to do the exercise here. Rob has a what? Is it boat, dog, or pig? Cross your answer. Yeah, it's supposed to be boat like this. Next, Rob got the boat in a which one? Is it pit, pot, or box? Find out here. Next, Rob likes his boat a is it pit, lot, or tent? Find the answer here and cross your answer. Okay, good. Well done, everyone. Well, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next video. Bye, everyone.